Hey guys, it's Britt.
And Amanda.
And our giveaway today is a 5 surprise mini brands.
Okay, the rules for this is the same as always. You have to be subscribed to the channel. You have to like this video and comment on this video to be entered to win that prize. And you can hit the bell notification. That way you can know when we post new videos. Guys, I want to explain something. I've had a couple of different subscribers think that we're not entering them in and they are supposed to be entered in. If you're a little kid, make sure you get your parents to come and read the rules and look at everything, or your guardians, whatever you have. That way you can make sure you did comment on that video, because me and Brittany both, we
Yes.
double check, we triple check the comments and the likes and the subscriptions to make sure that we got everybody that commented, liked, and subscribed on that certain video. Guys, you cannot be entered to win everything just by commenting on one video. That's not how it works. And I know you adults know that, but I'm having to explain this for some of the kids. And to the kids, you have to have your parents or guardians' permission to enter. And I will have to verify that. It will not just be, they said yes. I have to verify it. And also, excuse me, you just have to follow every single rule. And I just don't know what else to say. I'm just kind of flabbergasted, if you guys know what that word means, that I'm even having to explain this. But I should have known, because I know kids do watch this stuff and they don't understand that. And the only way you can win this is from getting your name drawn. We do not go through and randomly choose. So we put everybody's name in that likes, subscribes, and comments. And that's it. Okay, enough of that boring stuff. I'm sorry, I didn't want to take much time, but I need to explain that. All of the rules will be in the description. Read those thoroughly. And also, you need to go to YouTube's rules and make sure you're following all those also, which I'm sure you guys know that. Okay, Britt's excited because she's never opened these before.
Okay.
I'm going to go ahead and start turning my plastic off, Brett, while you're doing that.
Yeah.
It is hard to open. And guys, we are so excited that you guys are helping us grow, because without you guys, without the ones that first subscribed and started sharing us and everything, that's amazing. Also, I want to let you guys know there's something new that Britt had this idea and I thought it was cool. If you want to share us like on a social media account like Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, anything like that, if you want to share us on there, share the video, or give us a shout out on your channel. Give us a shout out on your channel or anything like that, or send people to subscribe and comment that they that you sent them. We will give you an extra entry, and there's no limit. So just give me proof, like send it to my email, and the email will be in the description, and more detailed rules will be in the description on that, guys.
Did I do that right?
Yes, you did.
Okay. This is so cool. I think I'm going to start with this one. I got Pez.
Aw, she got the fun one. I can't even find my opening. The clear plastic parts are hard to find, aren't they?
Yeah. It took me a minute.
I'm gonna make my own.
And some Mentos.
We already got Mentos, don't we?
Yes.
We'll show you guys our whole collection when we get done with the video.
Got Twinkies.
Twinkies. Do you like Twinkies?
I love Twinkies.
I don't like Twinkies.
What?
Yeah, I'm not much on Twinkies. Sorry, guys. Don't come for me, you Twinkie lovers. Did you get a card or is it a basket? Oh, she got a little basket, guys.
I'll put that together in a minute while Amanda's opening hers.
Yeah, you can work on it the next couple openings. Did you get a double pack?
I think so.
Guys, she got a double pack.
Twin pack.
Twin pack. It's Edge Shaving Gel. Oh,
Okay.
is that all of them? You done?
Yes.
We already, we'll show you guys the list when we get done and try to see if how many we got and how many we need, because there's so many, there's no way. Oh, more bacon bits. We already got these in the other one. And we do have another video of opening these and another giveaway that is still open. You guys should go check that out. Ooh, peanut butter. Guys, I'm not a fan of peanut butter either unless it's in Reese cups. Brett loves it though, don't you?
Yes.
She doesn't like Reese cups, right?
Nope.
Super crunchy. I'm trying to... I don't know why it's not. There we go. Okay. Super crunchy peanut butter. Sorry, I spent that long on making it zoom. Oh, what I got here? I got bacon bits, but it's real crumbled bacon bits.
I love bacon bits.
There we go. Took us a minute, but we got it. I'm not going to zoom every one of them, guys. I will show you. Oops. I will show you these at the end in better detail because it'll take so long if I zoom them. Oh my gosh, look.
Don't quite know if I'm putting this together right.
A Cold Stone cup. And guys, I've never been to Cold Stone. Have you ever been to Cold Stone?
Mm-mm.
They didn't have any in Eastern Kentucky where we used to live, but in Western Kentucky they have one. We need to go try that out because everybody says it's awesome ice cream. Guys, if you've ever been to Cold Stone, tell us your favorite ice cream from there or your favorite shake or whatever. I think you got it. Oh, another cart. Yay! Guys, I love these carts. They're kind of hard to put together. We may pause the video and put them together at the end. That's probably what we'll do. Put the carts and the baskets together at the end.
Yeah, how about that one?
She's almost got it, guys. They're kind of tedious. I'm going to pull my plastic off if you're doing that.
I guess I should have been doing that, but I was intrigued by the little basket.
We'll pause and get the plastics off. Okay, we are back. Sometimes those are hard to pop off.
Got an Airheads, and we already have one.
Oh, we do, don't we? But we love our heads, so it's okay.
Another basket. And some stickers, it
Oh, we
looks
got
like.
another basket. Oh, the stickers goes on the basket. Did you accidentally throw your other ones down?
No, they're over there. Some moon pies.
It's so cool that we're getting baskets and carts because those are kind of hard to find sometimes.
Uh-oh, well.
That's all right. I'll get them in a minute. Were they different? Yeah, they were vanilla, wasn't they? These are vanilla moon pies. Do you like the vanilla or the chocolate better?
Vanilla.
I think I do too. Guys, do you guys like the vanilla? Or no, wait. These are banana.
Oh, well then banana definitely.
No, I like the chocolate. I don't like the banana ones.
That's one of my favorites, is banana.
One of my little slices, as I call them, fell off.
Got some caramel.
Ooh,
Or caramel.
They'll stick on there.
Won't focus for some reason, guys.
Yeah, that's why I said we'll show them all at the end. Oh, you got a double.
Yeah, I got another one of those. Okay.
Is that it?
I believe so.
Okay, I'll do this one first because it went flying. So it must be one to be open. We got another basket.
Do we?
Carly's gonna love that because she loves playing with those with her LOL dolls. And maybe we can do some pretend play with those with our LOL dolls.
Yeah, we can.
Another box of Dum-Dums. I love Dum-Dums. Do you like Dum-Dums, Brett?
I do.
It's right there with the other Dum-Dums. I want a gold. Come on, I want a gold. Or a glow-in-the-dark. You know you get a glow-in-the-dark on some of these. We got another 4-cheese pasta, which we have. Can never have too much pasta. Yuck. Guys, I do not like this. One of my most hated foods ever is mayonnaise. Do you like it? Mayonnaise?
Oh, yeah.
Brett likes it. Ugh. Our dad liked it too. He loved it, actually. I do not. I know I'm weird. Most people love it. Cool. I don't know why some of these come in little plastic covers. Dove Purely Pampering Body Wash. We use Dove body wash quite a bit here. We're trying to clean our mess up, guys.
Oh, sorry,
I got
guys.
one more and Britt's got 2 more.
Put all that over there.
And guys, we are still doing the Bean Boozled challenge. We are just waiting for my stepdaughter to come back up because she had to go back home to Eastern Kentucky for a little vacation with her guardians.
Cupcakes.
Ooh, I love those.
I think we have one of these Pure Silk Spa Therapy Shave
Yes.
Cream.
And I'll set it right there on top of it.
I wish it would focus, guys.
We'll show them at the end. They could.
Oh, Smarties. A pack of Smarties.
Carly loves those. She calls them candy pills.
Some more peanut butter.
That one's creamy, though. That mine was crunchy. Not creamy or crunchy better. Depends on your mood.
Yeah. If I'm eating it plain, I'd rather creamy. And some Spam. We have some of this.
Do you
too.
like that?
Only fried.
Fried? I don't know if I've ever made it fried. I don't like it like that.
It's really good fried.
Are you done?
Yep.
All right. She's got one more. This is my last one. I'm letting her do an extra one since she wasn't here the last time. Yes! Another cart. I wanted a shelf so bad. I hope you get a shelf. You know, they got little shelves.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
When you said you wanted to get a gold, what?
That's like a rare. Like you can get like I think a gold pest dispenser. Well, look, see these a gold little guide. Guys, she's never seen these before. I got another one of these, which would be perfect for our LOL dolls pretend play. This is going to be so fun to bring our LOLs and do pretend play with these. Another arrowheads. We got 3 of those. Another peanut. We're getting a lot of doubles now. Creamy peanut butter. Where'd you put your creamy peanut butter? We don't even know where it went.
Right here.
Oh.
But it's different. Yours is.
Oh, mine's different.
Mine's
Hers
natural.
natural. She's got natural natural peanut butter. I think I just got one more. Hope it's something good. It's pretty good to me. It's not a rare, but I love it. It's a Warhead Super Sour Spray. We got a blue one. I think there's a glow-in-the-dark one of those. I'm going to look at the list while you open yours.
We got another basket. Another Pure Silk Shave Cream.
We got another basket.
Yeah.
I watched one of these and somebody opened like 2 whole mini brands and they didn't get but like 1 basket. So that's so crazy. Guys, I did mix these up a little bit instead of just buying one thing because everybody had picked out of these. So
Warheads, worms. That's something new.
Yeah, I've never even heard of those. Have you?
Mm-mm. But I love warheads, so I think I would like those.
I have to be in the mood for them. I didn't get any soy sauce, did we? I'm trying to check our list off, guys.
Got some chili. We have 2 of these already. Is that one more? There we go. And we have one of these. It's Axe body spray, I think. Is that the spray or the, yeah?
I think so.
Oh, sorry guys, I bumped the camera. I'm trying to get that done. There we go.
I'm trying to X out everything we have. The only warheads thing we had was those worms, right?
Yes. Well, besides the spray. Warheads.
Yeah, I already got those. Smarties. Did we get Smarties?
Yes.
The yellow bag.
Mm.
My marker's running out. Airheads, we got plenty of those. We got those Mentos, didn't we? No Liptons, no Dove bars, moon pies. We got the chocolate and the banana. Twinkies, we got regular. The cupcakes, we got Hostess. Box of Dum-Dums. We didn't get no Q-tips, did we?
I don't think so.
Chocolate ice cream. What kind of mayonnaise did we get? Guys, we're going to pause this and put our carts together. We'll be right back.